Hello guys, and welcome to this video lecture. In this video I would like to teach you how you can test your internet speed by using Python. Alright, in order to do so you have to install a Python package called speed test -cli. So I've already installed it, but I'm just gonna show you how you can install it. So I'm going to write pip 3 install speed test -cli, then enter. Since I've already installed it, so there's no need for me to do it again. Then we can now test our command by typing speed test -cli. So I'm getting some information here. As you can see, my download speed is 42.30 megabyte per second, and my upload speed is 32.41 megabyte per second. And this command also display my internet provider. So I'm using DNA as my internet service provider. So that's it actually. I hope you got some value from this video. Feel free to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time.